The Grades tool is a series of features used to create and manage your gradebook. From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Grades to access the Grades tool. You can also access the Grades tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Grades link on your course navbar. There are 5 key points of navigation in the Grades tool to help you create and manage your gradebook. The Enter Grades tab is used to review your students' grades, import and export your gradebook to either Excel or CSV, grade student assessments, and manually enter or override grades. You can also edit display settings and the event log. See video titled Grades Tool, Enter Grades for more details. The Manage Grades tab is used to create new grade categories and grade items. You can also bulk edit your gradebook, reorder, and view the event log. See video titled Grades Tool, Manage Grades for more detail. Schemes are used to review available grading schemes that have been shared from a higher level in the organization. You can also create and edit custom grading schemes in this area, including the ability to copy and delete. See video titled Grades Tool, Schemes for more details. The Setup Wizard includes a 7-step setup wizard to help guide you through initial gradebook configuration. See the video titled Grades Tool, Setup Wizard for further details. Use the settings icon to configure your display and calculation options such as personal display options, org unit display options, and calculation options. For more detail, please refer to the video titled Grades Tool, Settings.